The National Electric Code, published by the National Fire Protection Association, is a set of minimum standards that must be met when installing electrical systems. If they are followed properly, these standards help ensure safety. The NEC is comprised of 8 chapters, each dealing with different aspects of the electrical trade. The first 4 chapters have the most immediate impact on the HVAC industry. In particular, Chapter 4 has sections on portable cords and cables, appliances, fixed electrical space equipment, and motors, motor controls, and controllers. The National Electric Code sets standards not only for the installation procedure for an electrical system, but also sets standards for the size of the conductor that's used in any given application. The maximum current that's expected to flow through the circuit determines the size of the conductor. Circuits that carry large amounts of current will require larger conductors, while those that carry only a small amount of current will require smaller conductors. The conductors of each circuit should be protected to prevent a greater amount of current from flowing in the circuit. Current flow generates heat, and increases in current will result in more heat. This excessive heat can cause the wire's insulation to melt, possibly causing a fire. Stopping the current flow will prevent overheating. 2 devices that are commonly used to open the circuit when an overcurrent condition exists are the fuse and the circuit breaker. Fuses are made with a short metal strip called an element. This element has a low melting point that varies depending upon the current rating of the fuse. Fuses with a high current rating have elements with a higher melting point, and those with a low current rating have elements with a lower melting point. Fuses are one-time devices and must be replaced if the element melts. Circuit breakers, on the other hand, can be reset, but repeated tripping could compromise the performance of the breaker. Once again, the sizes of the fuses or circuit breakers that should be used for any particular application are governed by the National Electric Code.